into Indian market. And they said, go to Chennai. That's the cultural capital of South India. So that's how BERGNER India was started 18 years before. We came here without knowing anything and just started. Today, we have gone to all over India and finally we came to Chennai to make the last point connect to the first point. So thank you very much India and thank you very much South and Chennai that you all give us so much love and support. BERGNER as a brand in India have grown and loved by the consumers, dealers, distributors, supported so well, and proudly we would say that today we are one of the premium cookware brand of India. Thank you very much everybody for your support and love. And not taking you much time, I'll start the function next. And
Five.
Everybody put your hands
Everybody, come on. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for wonderful cookware launching.
So here, why this pressure cooker? Argent cookware, I think everybody is selling it. I'm calling it Argent Classic. In my life of 40 years of business, this is the most beautiful product I have made. And I made it made in India. If you will ask this question to me, 7 years, 6 years, 5 years back, I can't even think and dream about this. But God has made it arrive this. We are launching 10 sizes today, from 1 liter up to 10 liter. The 10 is not available here now, it's up to 8 liter, okay? If you see here, this is your 5.5 liter shallow pan. This is the beauty of this cookware, okay? This is your 8 liter, a little heavy, please watch it. Sir, this is your 6 liter. These are the real sizes. These are real diameters. If you compare these sizes, this 5 liter cooker looks 6.5 liter of other market people. Am I right or wrong, sir? So, here it is. 2 finger open. Just keep it there, like this, and shut. Did we ever imagine this 3 years before? A pressure cooker can be closed and open like this, right, sir?
Really good.
Can you say in Tamil that they will say?
உண்மையிலே சூப்பராக இருக்கு. இதெல்லாம் யாருமே இது வரைக்கும் பண்ணல. உண்மையிலே ரொம்ப ஈஸி. லேடிஸ் ரொம்ப சிங்கிள் ஹேண்ட்ல பண்ணலாம்.
So this is the cooker which the lid is 1.2 mm thickness, made of 304 stainless steel. The body is made of tri-ply. There's a special safety switch here. You can see here, third switch. Okay, in case of anything bursting, you still have a third one. Okay, and which is also made so precisely. The beauty of the pressure cooker is not being disturbed. This is, and the final one is, there's a small designing we have put on the bottom of the pressure cooker. Okay, which shows that even cooking, even heating, sign of even cooking and heating. Okay, now you will see soon everybody will copy this also. I don't care that. Okay, we are getting used to of getting copied everything. So original is original. Here, whoever will copy this will go and pay big money because entire cooker is now patented by us, BERGNER India. So thank you very much, team of Chennai here. This is our first launch. A lovely pressure cooker for newborn kids, 1 liter. Baby bonds. You have a 1.5 liter and up to 10 liter. And we promise to give you by December 15 liter pressure cooker as well. Okay, 1 to 15 is the journey. On bringing newness, and as we study the market and the behavior of consumers in different regions, requirement of the kitchens, and we're extending. So this is what, can we just pull this up? Sir.
Ready? 3,
2, 1.
1. Argent kitchenware from BERGNER Impact India Private Limited.
Was very much in this is a new color cookware will be launching in the rose gold. That's a Diwali issue.
My name is Umesh Gupta. I am the Managing Director of BERGNER India. We are here in Chennai, which is a cultural capital of South of India. So I welcome all my partners here today. We're doing a brand launch here. We'll be launching a Samsara range and the pressure cooker Argent Classic, which is, I believe, is very proudly we announced that it's made in India 100% and a world-class product. So I would like to say we're going go global, buy local. Okay, producing in India and producing with pride to sell globally, and that will be the launch here. I started BERGNER India 18 years before from Chennai, so my most pride products I'll be launching today in Chennai. So looking for a blessing and a support from our partners. Yes, we have a service center with our distributor. They will provide within 48 hours a repaired product.
How many products are available there?
We have more than 160 SKUs here in the market.
The only cookware also the products, sir?
We have knife sets, a big range of knives. We have a big range of non-stick cookware. We have a big range of cast iron. We have a good range of glass storage, and very southern. We're trying to bring a South Indian cooking culture to the rest of India. So launching a Samsara range, which will bring rest of India. The BERGNER, so these pressure cookers and all our products will be giving 5 years plus guarantee here, and any manufacturing defect we guarantee piece to piece we change. So for consumer, they don't need to worry about any of the quality matters, any issues, any manufacturing defect, we do piece to piece change. So must support our consumer, must make them believe in our products. So that's what we're doing it now.
வணக்கம் எல்லாத்துக்கும். நான் பாண்டி பஜார் ரத்னா ஸ்டோர்ஸ், ஏஜிஎஸ் ரத்னா ஸ்டோர்ஸ் ப்ரைவேட் லிமிட்லேருந்து கம்பெனி டைரக்டர் பேசுகிறேன். ஆக்சுவலாக இன்றைக்கி புது லான்ச் பண்ணாங்க பர்க்னரில் ப்ரெஷர் குக்கர். அந்த மாதிரி குக்கருமே லைஃப்பில் யாருமே அந்த மாதிரி மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் பண்ண அந்த அளவுக்கு பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இப்போ ஃப்யூச்சரில் இந்த மாதிரி ஐட்டம்ஸ் நம்ம இருக்கும் மார்க்கெட்டில். இந்த மாதிரி ஐட்டம் தான் ட்ரை ப்ளே தான். ஏன்னா இதுதான் இப்போ லைஃப் லாங் இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் தான் நிற்க போகுது மார்க்கெட்டில். எக்ஸலண்ட்டாக இருக்குது ஐட்டம்ஸு. அவங்க இன்னும் இந்த 3-4 இயர்ஸில் இந்த அளவுக்கு அவங்க டெவலப் பண்ணுறது பெரிய விஷயம். இது எல்லாமே மேட் இன் இந்தியா தான். இது எதுவுமே இம்போர்ட்டட் கிடையாது. எல்லாமே இந்தியாவில் நம்ம இந்தியாவில் எல்லாமே மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணுற ஐட்டமு. உண்மையில் இந்த ஐட்டம் எக்ஸலண்ட், சூப்பர்.